Greetings everyone, welcome aboard. My name is Joseph James. Happy Monday to you. It's the 22nd of November. The 22nd of November, already almost done with November, guys. We've had a great month, another great day in our trade room. But before I talk about the trades we took today, though, guys, I want to remind you guys, too, we're growing our team of traders and educators in 2011. In 2010, we had a record-breaking year. In 2011, we're growing. We want to add more trade rooms. We want to add more educators, more traders. And to do that, I want your help. Now, as you guys know, I trade crude, I trade gold, I trade euro, I trade Russell. We can pretty much trade anything, but I focus on what I know best. Now, maybe you're trading the S&P. Okay, maybe you're trading stocks, right? Maybe you're trading RIM or Motorola, right? Or Goog. Maybe you're trading ETFs or Forex or fixed income or the Eurex products, right? I would love to meet somebody right now who is trading Eurex-based products, DAX, Euro stocks, right? Maybe even the CAC Iran, the CAC 40 out of France. If you're trading other markets, right, that we don't see featured in our live trade room, we want you guys to come join us, put you on our blog. If you're good at what you do, I want you guys to email me, jj@schooltrade.com. Record-breaking year of 2010. We're building even bigger and stronger for 2011, guys. And don't forget, right, guys, if you're on the blog right now, there's a lot of great important stuff in the blog. Above this video, you'll see webinars, the beginner's corner, and the trade room resources. You want to make sure you guys check those links up, right, above me there. Then below this video, or to the right of this video, you'll see the search box, right? Type in your questions for the search box. You can also see live support, our YouTube page, Facebook page, right, Twitter, and then down in the lower right-hand corner, right, over there, right, you'll see the follow me button. So of course, follow this blog, click that follow me button. That way you get all the new updates whenever they come out. Don't forget too, guys, this Friday's training is canceled because we're closed Thursday and Friday this week. Okay, we have beginners training every Friday morning. Canceled this week because we have, of course, the holiday Thursday, Friday. Let's see how we did today. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 trades. Got one loss there on crude. Now, I've been working all day today at this new auto trader. I've got all the final stuff ready to go out for our members this afternoon. So I'm going to make this video a little bit shorter than normal. As you can see, though, gold and crude today. We also saw some patterns in the Russell. We saw 4 winning patterns in the Russell. We saw 4 winning patterns in the Euro. So the Russell and the Euro both had some pretty good patterns today. I was focused on gold and crude. You can see we did have that loss there on crude. That should be finished up there. That was 81.81 on crude. But you can see the beginning of our day, kind of rocky, right? The first 4 trades, we took a scratch trade, then a big winner, then a scratch trade, then a big winner. So the first 4 trades today were kind of back and forth, choppy price action. I'll show you guys what it looked like in a moment. We took that loss on crude at 10.15. But then look what happened after that, though. After that loss on crude, we made back. 10.16 was a loss. 10.18 was the biggest winner of the day. So we took 20 ticks out of the market. We gave back 20 ticks at 10.15. Then we make 46 ticks right back. It was a pretty impressive day. It really was. All right, guys, total it up. You can see the end of our morning, though, came out with a bang, right? We finished up with a bang today. 283 ticks over 28.30 in the room today, guys. And that's only on 4 contracts. That brings our monthly total now. Very proud about this. Monthly total now, we broke that record from October. The monthly record was 34,143 in October. In November, we just shattered that record. Okay, we did $14,000 last week in this room, guys. If you're a member right now, you're having a great end of the year. If you're a guest right now, time to get started with us as a member. That way we can give you guys the auto trader. We can give you guys the beginner, intermediate, and advanced course. Right, 24/7 tech support, and don't forget lifetime access to our live trade room. Right, 14,000 and change last week, $9,700 the week before. Right, guys, been a huge month. 35,000, just below 36,000 for the month, and we've now broken over $220,000 here in 2010 alone. Only 4 contracts, guys. All you need is $4,000 in your account. $4,000 in your account. You made a 50% return today. Right, today. Let's keep moving, guys. Great job today, but what's the most important thing that we saw today? Well, remember, short week. Everything's condensed into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. No news today, which meant everything was jammed into Tuesday and Wednesday. So no news today. Dollar was very quiet, tucked underneath those highs from Friday. And it appeared the dollar was a little bit hanging out, waiting for those FOMC meeting minutes, which are tomorrow, Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. We saw crude coming down off the highs, chopping around that 82 even level, we took wave pattern after wave pattern after wave pattern coming down. All right, guys? And really, for the most part, what happened on Crude today was we were tossing back and forth between a wave pattern and a two-step pattern, a wave pattern and a two-step pattern, right? A trend continuation pattern or a trend reversal pattern. We'll take a look at that here again. I've spent the rest of the afternoon today, though, working on the auto trader. We'll make this a pretty quick video today. We're just going to go over the Crude this morning. Okay, we'll just go over the Crude. Okay, the goal was a big winner for us, but I'm running late on time right now, and I want to make sure we have the auto trader ready for you guys for tomorrow morning. I'll tell you guys right now, after doing some light work this afternoon in the auto trader, very excited about this for tomorrow. So I've been working hard on the auto trader for you guys right now. That'll be going out to our members here momentarily this afternoon. You'll have everything you need to get it ready for trading tomorrow morning, right? Tuesday morning. And again, like I said, the dollar spent most of its time today tucked in below those highs. So here was my dollar. And again, you can see in the dollar, we spent most of the day here, right, just tucked in below those highs we saw on Friday. So we see the highs on Friday here were tucked in just below it. And really, for the most part, guys, this took hours and hours and hours just chopping around here today. So dollar was poised for a jump up, but we really didn't see very much strong movement on it. And boy, you can really see that in our first couple trades of the day, right? Our first couple trades of the day today, guys, again, with that dollar rising right now, but rising very slowly, that tells us look to the short side, which we did. But at the same time, though, the early 30, 45 to an hour of the time here, guys, the beginning of the market this morning was very slow. And so you can see how slow that was. A couple scratch trades to begin with. And then finally that dollar began to speed up. Finally we began to see some good speed here, and we made some good money today. All right, let's grab the Crude. Now here's my Crude. Now this is actually a really easy pattern today on Crude. Really easy on Crude, right? Because we know we've got trend line highs, trend line lows, right? Pretty simple stuff. We're going to sell the highs, buy the lows. And so what happened was we had seen the Crude come up, test the highs this morning, right? Then we start wave pattern short all the way down. Right? We kept selling those highs on Crude. Selling those highs on Crude using that wave pattern short. So let's take a look at it real quick. Here's a Crude chart. Wedge pattern on Crude coming off those highs. Here we are. Here's my 21 range chart. My 21 range chart, this is going to be similar to an 8-minute. Right? Won't be exact because there's no time involved. But you'll notice here we are. Now what's really cool is that once I finished doing this today, I then started working on my auto trader. And we saw a short here on the auto trader today that was a nice big 50-tick winner. And so I'm really excited to really get into this stuff for you guys tomorrow, because you can see diverge the highs, right? Break below that swing low, right? That would be your first short off the highs. Now that was grabbed today on the auto trader. I made a small mistake this morning setting things up. That's why we didn't have any trades go off this morning. But when I went back and fixed those mistakes, now we start seeing all these trades pop up, one of which being the short off these highs, and took our profit all the way down bottom here, a 50-tick runner there on that short on the Crude. Again, using the auto trader. More come on that here later on this afternoon, though. Right? You guys will get more info on that today. Okay, so here, first of the day here now is a wave pattern short. Now, a wave pattern is pretty simple stuff.